Network Entertainment.
Success and money means nothing if you are tired. Success and money means nothing when you cannot enjoy it. Rest keeps values, goals, and everything that you're doing aligned.
Hi, I'm Chingitan, and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Meron ka bang feeling na parati kang pagod, 'di ba? Kahit natulog ka, 'di ba? Pagising mo pagod ka. Kahit na nagpapahinga ka pagkatapos feeling mo pagod ka. Kahit nanood ka, ini-entertain mo sarili mo, feeling mo pagod ka pa rin. Alam mo kapatid, hindi mo lang kailangan magpahinga. Alam mo kailangan mo, you need healing. So what's the difference between resting and healing? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there everyone, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome back to Chink Positive. So, kamusta ka na? How's your week? And I hope that you are rested. Oo. Alam mo, sa totoo lang there's a difference between resting and healing eh. Ulitin ko, hindi porket ikaw ay natulog, ikaw ay nakapagpahinga. Marami akong taong nakitang natutulog pagkagising, pagod pa rin sila. Kaya nga importante po na why should we really talk about this, 'di ba? Why burnout really kills creativity and paano tayo makakalabas dito. So, number one, ito lang po. Let's talk about yung constant hustle, yung hustle culture. Actually, I was part of it, 'di ba? Yung parang feeling ko talaga dapat walang pahinga. Hataw, 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 hataw. Sleep is for the weak. Rest means you're falling behind. But reality, alam mo may study na naman sa 2023 Gallup report, 44% ng mga workers worldwide, they feel daily stress. 'Di ba? Yun, kahit na sila ay nagpahinga, feeling stress pa rin sila. Because the truth is, if your body breaks down, your dreams also will follow. Okay, kaya kailangan po natin hindi lang rest, kailangan natin ay healing. Because some people feel na pag nagpapahinga ka, tamad ka. Sino sa inyo guilty? Ako na rin yun. That was my impression before. Pero in reality, we don't only need rest, we need healing. Healing of our body, yes. Healing of our mind, healing of our soul. Yung mind, when you say soul, mind, will, and emotion, kailangan ma-heal siya eh. Again, parang ito lang sino po sa inyo, aminin po natin, na nagigilty kayo pag kayo ay nagpapahinga? Give me a nod. Parang feeling natin, sayang ang oras eh. Work tayo, rest na lang later. Or, pagod ka pa ba? Ang dami pang kailangan gawin. So, next time when you slow down, don't feel anxious. Because let me tell you this. Even God, He worked for 6 days. On the 7th day, He rested. He needs healing. Oo. As a matter of fact, He needs healing is that because He needs it. Because He wants us to really, He wants to tell us that we need to what? Feel rested. Okay? And then, honestly, one thing that I've learned in life, you can never give what you do not have. You cannot pour from an empty cup. If you don't rest, if you don't heal, you will start resenting the very thing that you love to do at the first place. Agree o disagree? Di ba? Ganun naman tayo lahat eh. Okay, parang hindi ka na ma-feel guilty when you rest. Okay? So, ito lang sabihin ko po sa inyo. Ito lang. Like for example, may kakilala ka bang mga athletes? Mga, boxer, runner. They don't train 24/7. They rest strategically. Why do they rest? Because their muscle needs to heal. Pag in-overwork nila, di ba, meron nga sinasabi na overwork. Pag in-overwork mo, magte-tear yan. Because they know the recovery builds strength. Same with you. Rest isn't falling behind. It's charging with power. Like for example, cellphone nga natin di ba? Kailangan ba natin mag-rest? Naglo-lobat siya Pag naglo-lobat ang cellphone, ano ginagawa natin? Nagre-rest. Pagkatapos ng rest, nagre-recharge para mag-heal, para may power ulit. Kaya nga ito, gamitin po natin yung mga workaholic out there. Gamitin natin yung rest and healing as a strategy. Ang kagandahan, when you rest and when you heal, number one, you'll be able to think clearly. Agree? Because a rested mind makes better decision. Meron ka bang mga desisyon sa buhay na pinagsisihan mo dahil nga nagmamadali ka, dahil stress ka? And then, hindi mo pinag-isipan. Alam mo yan. Di ba? 90% of the decision that you are going to make when you are stressed, it's going to be a wrong one. Number 2, when you feel rested, di ba, nag-heal ka, you work smarter. Di ba yung parang pagising mo sa umaga, ito lang, try nyo, sleep before 9:30, before 10. Pagising mo sa umaga, feeling mo recharged ka, you can do more, you can do better. As a matter of fact, there was a study in Harvard that yung fatigue, it costs employees and businesses at least $136 billion loss in productivity. Kasi burnout. Number 3, it builds what we call as consistency and longevity. Diba? Yung parang, alam mo, ang buhay and success, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Diba? The longer you're able to sustain, kaya nga people ask, Chinky, ilang taon ka na sa content creation? I've been in content creation for over 18 years. 18 years na. Imagine mo, 6 million followers sa Facebook, almost 3 million sa YouTube, 2 plus sa TikTok. Ngayon, nagpa-podcast pa ako. Bakit ko nagagawa to? Kasi nga, consistency, alam ko marathon to. Hindi to sprint. And then another thing, once you are rested, you're healed, you can strengthen a relationship. Diba? You can show up better as a business partner. Diba? As a parent. As a friend. As a father. As a mother. As a leader. Diba? Kasi chill ka eh. And last but not the least, ang kagandahan dito, when you're rested and healed, you align with peace. Alam mo, sa totoo lang success and money means nothing if you're tired. Success and money means nothing when you cannot enjoy it. Rest keeps values, goals, and everything that you're doing aligned. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take a 1-month rest. After this podcast, I'm going to do a 1-month rest. And me and my wife, we're going overseas for 1 month. Honestly, I dread that feeling before. But marrying my wife, and I'm so blessed, she puts balance in everything that I do. Di kasi ako nagta-travel before nung bago kinasal. Pero because of her, I understand kung bakit ko kailangan ng rest. Bakit ko kailangan ng healing. So that I can be more productive. Let me tell you, I used to believe I had to be everywhere before, do everything, say yes to everyone, until I realized I was slowly disappearing and dying. Then I learned this life-changing moment that I need to rest and heal. And ever since that day, rest doesn't stop my progress. Actually, it just protects and energizes it. I hope that this episode has helped you, encouraged you to rest, and not only rest, but also heal. But you know what? The best rest that you can experience is not having a quiet time for yourself, going out on the beach, going or climbing on the highest mountain. The best rest that you can really experience is when you experience God's rest. That's the reason why he said, "Come to me, those of you who are burdened and heavily laden, and I will give you rest." Come to God, go to God if you're stressed, because he can only give you stress, because he can only give you rest, and he can only heal you from your mind, your will, and your emotion. Thank you very much for catching this episode. If you like this episode, again, maraming salamat. Please do subscribe on this podcast and then share this podcast also with others. Tatandaan, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.